Let's break down Ethereum. You've seen it next to Bitcoin, but it's not just another coin. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum is more like a global computer anyone can use. It's a platform for building decentralized apps, or dApps. This makes Ethereum more than just a currency, it's an entire ecosystem. Why invest? People believe in its technology and potential. Ethereum powers things like DeFi, decentralized finance, where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest without banks. Its token, Ether, ETH, fuels the network. Real-world uses, NFTs, digital art and collectibles, mostly run on Ethereum. This brought artists and creators into crypto, showing blockchain's creative side. That's why Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. It has the most developers, apps, and users, a network effect that's hard to beat. Bitcoin is the original, but Ethereum's flexibility sets it apart. Other cryptos try to compete, but Ethereum's head start and community make it tough to catch. The more people use it, the more valuable it becomes. That's why everyone's talking about Ethereum. It's not just about money. It's about building the future of the internet. From finance to art, Ethereum is changing how we interact online. Its growth is driven by real innovation, not just hype, and that's why it matters. Ethereum isn't perfect. Slow speeds and high fees have been big issues. That's why developers launched the merge in 2022, switching to proof of stake. This upgrade made Ethereum 99% more energy efficient. Now, ETH holders can stake their coins to help secure the network and earn rewards. Less new ETH is created, and sometimes more is burned than minted, making ETH potentially deflationary. But the real game changer is scalability. Upgrades like danksharding aim to make Ethereum faster and cheaper, processing thousands of transactions per second. Imagine running apps as fast as Visa, but on the blockchain. These improvements could bring in millions of new users and businesses. If developers deliver, Ethereum will be more powerful and user-friendly. Lower fees and higher speeds mean more possibilities for dApps. This upgrade path is a major reason experts are bullish on Ethereum's future. The next few years are crucial. Success could cement Ethereum as the top smart contract platform, but it all depends on these upgrades rolling out smoothly. Ethereum's evolution is key to its value. That's what makes the coming years so exciting. So what could Ethereum be worth in 2026? No one knows for sure, but let's look at the range. Conservative estimates put ETH between $8,000 and $10,000, assuming steady growth and successful upgrades. More bullish experts see $15,000 to $20,000 or higher if Ethereum captures more of the financial world and DeFi explodes. The deflationary nature of ETH could create a supply shock as demand rises. For ETH to hit $15,000, its market cap would need to reach around $1.8 trillion. That's big, but not impossible if crypto keeps growing. These predictions depend on upgrades, adoption, and a stable global economy, but remember, the path will be volatile, ups and downs are guaranteed. Think of Ethereum like the early internet, huge potential, but lots of uncertainty. Price targets are possibilities, not promises. The real story is in the technology and adoption. If Ethereum delivers, the upside could be massive. But nothing is guaranteed. Always keep that in mind. Crypto is risky, Ethereum included. Prices swing wildly. Gains and losses can be huge. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Regulation is a big unknown. New rules could help or hurt Ethereum's price. Tech risks are real too. Upgrades are complex and bugs could shake confidence. Competition is fierce. Other platforms like Solana and Cardano are chasing Ethereum's lead. Ethereum must keep innovating to stay ahead. Still, its developer community and real-world uses make it compelling. The switch to proof of stake and upcoming upgrades could be major catalysts. But volatility, regulation, and tech hurdles remain. The 2026 price depends on how Ethereum navigates these challenges. Do your own research and understand the risks. The potential is huge, but so are the uncertainties. Ethereum's future will be shaped by innovation and adaptability. Make informed decisions, and stay curious.